I'm now going to tackle exercise 1.08 from the theta in the coordinate geometry section, and we're going to have a shot at 2b. So we'll go to that one. We've got a couple of points here. We're actually going to write out the points, then we're going to stick them into the 2-point equation, then we're going to solve. Well, let's take a look at how that plays out. So 2-point equation is y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. There, these guys are 2s. These folks are 2s. All right. So let's get some points here. So I'm going to make this the first point. That's 0 along 3 up. So I've got 0, 3. That's my first point. This one is 5 along, 0 up, 5 along, so 5, 0. And I'm going to designate this x1, this x2, this y1, and this y2. And then I'm going to substitute them into here. So I'm going to end up with a y minus y1, well, y1 is 3, over x minus x1, which is 0, is equal to, now I've got a y2, which is going to be a 0, minus y1, which is 3, over, and I'm going to have an x2. An x2 in this case is going to be a 5, minus an x1. Well, x1 is 0. So let's see how that all plays out, and I can tidy this up a little bit now. So I've got a y minus, so that implies that. I've got a y minus 3, and now I've got an x minus 0, which is just x. And I've got a 0 minus 0, which is negative 3 and a 5. Now I can just cross multiply in the usual way. So 5 lots of this lot here is going to be 5y minus 3. And that's going to equal negative 3x. I'm just cross multiplying in the normal way. Okay, let's expand this out and make the whole thing equal 0. So this is going to become 5y minus negative 3, 5, 15 is equal to negative 3x. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Here we go. 3x to both sides. So now I'm going to have a 3x plus a 5y minus a 15 is equal to 0, because all this comes to 0. Now, anything else that I need to do? I think we are good. So that would be the solution.